Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see flags in Htaccess file. So you have seen R equals to 301 L in the last of your Htaccess file. So which all are these and what they stand for we will be seeing in this video. Let's get started with today's video. So these are all Apache server HTXS flags. So first is hash you can use to mark any comment in your HTXS file. Then there is C. C is for chaining a rule with like next rule. The next is E, that is for environment variable. So you can define variable like key and then its value. So let me show you one example regarding this. So here in example you can see image is environment variable and its value is 1 set here. This URL checks basically if requested URI is an image file, then it will set this environment variable as 1. So now next is F. So F is that forbidden. So any like server returns a 403 error. So that's a forbidden one. So here you can see rewrite rule. We have written F at the last. This one is that .exe file will not be downloaded from your server. Now next is G, that is gone. So if any page that is permanently removed from your website, then you can mark it as G. So it is like resource used to be available but is no longer available. So you can use this G flag there. So L I have also used in my many videos. So L is just last rule of your HTXS file. So at the end of your HTXS file, you will be putting this like basically last rule wherever you want it to finish. Then N is next. It's like forces Apache to redo the rewrite process. Let me give you an example. So here you can see it will replace A with B everywhere in a request and will continue until and unless like there is no A left in the URL. So you can see n equals to 10 above 1. So that indicates that it will be checking 10 times and after that it will stop. So it is to stop infinite loop so that flags and checking does not go in any infinite loop. It should stop after 10 iteration. So next is NC, that is no case sensitive. So this will check it like doesn't care whether letters appear as uppercase or lowercase. So it will match like case insensitive. Next is NE, that is no escape. So by default, like special characters such as add and question mark, if they are present in URL, they are converted to their hex code. Prevents that from happening. So like if you have any space, so that will not be converted to percentage 20. That's his hex code. So now next is NS, so that is no sub request. So this is like which rule you should not apply on sub request. That is basically it prevents the rule from being used on sub request. So next is or. So or statement is same like either or. So here if domain is coming like without triple w, that's if that's true that will be executed. If second one it's coming with triple w, then that's true. So it depends either or similar it will work. Now next is P, that is for proxy. So that is similar to marking someone else's attendance. I'll give you one example. So below one you can see any image file it's coming, so it will be handled by backend server. So this request is like immediately pushed to backend server. Next is PT, so that is pass through. So it will send a formatted URL back to like Apache. So let me show you one example. So here you can see it will causes the result of rewrite URL to be passed back through the URL mapping. That it's QSA, that is append query string at the end of URL. So let me give you example. So here you can see, so you can see pages if any query string is there, and then it will be replaced with page equals to like whichever value is there. So it will be appended like this. Next is QST, so that is discard query strings at the end. So you can use this flag if you want to remove any appended query string. Next flag is R, that is for redirect. So let's say 301 permanently moved, 302 is there. So whichever redirect you want to do, so you can mention that there with like R equals to 301, 302. Now next is skip. So X means here number of rules if a match is found. So here you can see example. So here you can see S equals to 2. It's like a go to statement. So Here it will skip two number of rules. Now last rule, that is t equals to mime type. So it's basically type flag. So it will set the mime type with which the resulting response will be sent. If you have any image, then you can force its type to be image JPG. So that's all in this video. In this video, we have seen so many flags of HTXS. So if you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down in the comment section. And if you think any flag is missed, then you can comment in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.